Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, as you can see in the background, we're in the Philippines, and these are drinking parties are done. They generally have, as you can see, a bunch of different types of food on the table. And the food is called a pollutant. And that is a polluton, the food that is there, that is what Filipinos call it. They generally have it with some Emperador, which is the brandy that's standard here in the Philippines. And generally one glass that you'll see on the table is passed around between a bunch of men. Alright? And that's how it's done right there. If you're fellow filmmakers, if you're coming to the Philippines and you want to shoot some experimental, independent, no budget, low budget films, then this is the way to be. You can get lots of interesting scenes for your movies here in the Philippines with stuff like that, and especially these drinking scenes. They're also seen in a bunch of Filipino movies that are really good with like an actor classic like FPJ, Fernando Poe Jr., which is one of my favorites, and they generally do a lot of fights and stuff like that, which is really cool. Alright? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, put a like on our videos, join the Barter Buy and Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.